15,000 US reward offered for a man suspected in the murders of Florida mother and baby. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The reward to help track down a suspected murder suspect in Orange County is now up to 15,000 US. According to the Orange County Sheriff Office, it stated on Monday that it had obtained 2 first-degree murder arrest warrants for Dujon Griffiths in the killing of a mother and her young child. Deputies believe that Griffith shot and killed Masona Malcolm and her 1-year-old daughter, Jordania. Deputies believe that Griffith shot and killed Masona Malcolm and left her 1-year-old daughter, Jordania, to die in a hot car. The two were found dead inside a car in a parking lot in Lake Elna Drive on Thursday. Griffith was already named as a suspect in the attempted murder of the woman's boyfriend. The Orange County Sheriff Office is now searching for a man who deputies say may be connected to the death of the woman and the 1-year-old daughter. Deputies say that Dujon Griffiths, age 21, is now a person of interest in the death of Masona Malcolm, 20, and her 1-year-old daughter, Jordania. Deputies say that the boyfriend was found with gunshot wound earlier in the week. After he was found by deputies, he later told police officers that it was his friend that shot him multiple times. He later told deputies that his girlfriend, their infant daughter, and a friend were in the car when he was shot by the friend. He also said that he believed his girlfriend may have been shot as well, and that his friend drove off in the family car with their daughter and the female companion. Griffiths remain on the loose. Anyone with information is being asked to contact the Orange County Sheriff Office. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.